Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the creation for today, and it's from the story of Elisha. This is how we make it. Yeah, so what I've done is I've folded this in half, like that. Cut down here. And then fold this over. Like that. Then we need to pop that one out like that and get some double-sided sticky tape, which I could put on one side of the triangle. There. Oopsie daisy. Then we get the speech bubble and line this corner up with the fold so it doesn't bend it over, like that. And that works okay. Then we've got these ones. Now just keep it away from the speech bubble a bit, like so, and then I've folded these ends over on the dotted lines, put some double-sided sticky tape on, so that one goes like that, and this one goes like that, and then we fold it over to get the natural fold. So fold over here and then bend it over to get that natural fold. And there we are. Oopsie daisy. Ta-da! I'm sure you had great fun making that. See you next time. God bless.